10-day Stoic challenge for personal growth. Day 1. Focus on what you can control. Principle: you can't control events, only your response to them. Reflection. Question: what worries me today that I actually have no control over? Challenge: when something goes wrong, pause and identify, is this within my control? If not, let it go consciously. Day 2. Practice gratitude for the present moment principle. Happiness depends on appreciating what you already have. Reflection. Question: what simple thing today can I be deeply grateful for, something I often take for granted? Challenge. Write down 3 things you're thankful for today, no matter how small, and truly feel that gratitude. Day 3. Control your reactions. Principle: you can't control others' actions, but you can master your own emotions. Reflection. Question: how do I usually respond to criticism or disrespect, with emotion or with reason? Challenge. Stay calm when criticized or provoked. Breathe deeply and respond with composure or silence. Day 4. Remember, you could lose it all. Principle: memento mori. Remember you will die. Appreciate life's fragility to live more meaningfully. Reflection. Question: if today were my last day, what would I do differently or appreciate more? Challenge: spend 10 minutes reflecting on impermanence. Then tell or show gratitude to someone important to you. Day 5. Live with purpose. Principle: don't waste time. Every action should serve your values. Reflection. Question: are my daily habits aligned with the person I want to become? Challenge: write down your 3 core values. Do 1 deliberate action today that embodies each of them. Day 6. Accept discomfort. Principle: growth begins at the edge of comfort. Stoics train themselves to endure hardship with dignity. Reflection. Question: how do I usually react to discomfort? Avoid it or embrace it as a teacher? Challenge: do something uncomfortable. Take a cold shower, fast for a meal, or face a task you've been avoiding. Day 7. Speak less, listen more. Principle: wisdom often comes from silence and observation. Reflection. Question: how often do I listen to understand rather than to reply? Challenge: during one conversation today, speak only when necessary. Focus on truly understanding the other person. Day 8. See obstacles as opportunities. Principle: the obstacle is the way. Ryan Holiday, inspired by Marcus Aurelius. Reflection. Question: what recent challenge could actually be helping me grow stronger or wiser? Challenge: take one current problem and reframe it in writing as a lesson or hidden opportunity. Day 9. Practice compassion, even for difficult people. Principle: people act out of ignorance, not malice. Be patient and kind anyway. Reflection. Question: who frustrates me the most? And can I see their actions through empathy rather than judgment? Challenge: treat a difficult person with unexpected kindness today. Observe your internal reaction afterward. Day 10. Reflect on your journey. Principle: a good life is built one wise choice at a time. Reflection. Question: how have I changed in the past 10 days? What principle resonated most deeply? Challenge: write a brief reflection on what you've learned. Choose one Stoic habit to continue daily from now on.